Hey guys, it's SterlingW. If you're looking for a much more portable power station for your car or when you're on the road, I found this pretty awesome power supply which I got. It's pretty cool because it supplies power to my work laptop, which draws about 20 watts. It also has a PD charger that outputs 60 watts as well. This is pretty awesome. Now, normally I bring around my Jackery Explorer 240 in my car so I could actually play video games and stuff, and it has a 200 watt pure sine inverter, which is awesome. But for if I'm just working for about an hour or two, I really don't need all this power. This is good for like if you're camping and stuff. But this NOVOO 148 watt hour one is actually pretty neat because it has an output of 100 watts for its AC as well as a 60 watt PD output. It's also interesting because here's the stats: is 148 watts in terms of the power supply that has a USB outputs, PD outputs, a DC input, but you can also charge this with a PD input as well. That with a direct power supply like the Spigen Power Arc Station Pro. This actually outputs at 45 watts, which is even more powerful than charger that it comes with. So I use this to charge it much faster than that of the included 15 volt charger. The original 15 volt charger actually charges at around 30 watts, and this is much faster, just going directly through PD. So another good function about this is that it actually has a light. I guess if you're bringing this in a car, you can actually use this as a flasher or a regular flashlight and stuff, which is really nice. As you can see, it is charging at about 30 watts right now with the standard 15 watt charger that comes with. But like I said, if you put the PD charger in it, it's a lot faster. There are two USB ports, and as you can see, these orange buttons turn on the USB ports as well as turn on other parts of this thing like the AC inverter and stuff. And there is a fan on the side to suck air in to cool it down. There's a fan on the side as well in the back to draw air in for the AC thing. Now for the Jackery Explorer 240, I love that, and I used to always bring that in my trunk, but at the same time it's much bigger than the other one. The good thing about the Jackery is that you can have 12 volt out, your 200 watt sine as well as a solar DC input, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is actually very awesome. But I will keep this for like camping or long-term weekend trips. But I will definitely have this in my car for the NOVOO one because it's smaller, it's more compact, and actually could power up Macs and other devices directly. Here, the more of the capacity is around 40,000 milliamp hours, which is pretty cool. And I see this could probably be taken on travel trips as well because it's not really that big of a battery, which is really nice. But the fact you could use this for, I think I used my laptop for a few hours, is actually pretty useful. And if it's a very low weight saving, power saving laptop as well. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.